Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use voice recorder into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is simply come over into your search option and search for voice recorder. And if you open it, you can see here is your voice recorder app. You can see we are having trouble loading your file. So I don't have any file. That's why it's showing we have trouble loading your file. So what you need to do, if you want to import any file, just simply click on that and select your file and you will going to import it over here. After that, if you just selected your microphone or change your default setting and then you just simply click on this, it will automatically recording your voice into your Windows 11. Also, you can mark it and also you can pause it and you can leave the processor as it is. After completing the recording, simply click on this complete, and then what you can do is just simply come over this three vertical line and you can see the show in folder. Also you can change the rename, also you can delete it or go for the settings. And here you just need to select the audio quality. If I select auto, then it's pretty normal, but I will always going for this best highest quality larger file size, or you can just simply select this high and recommend it. After that, the recording format, you can do it into WMA or WAV. Nothing will be lossless. Also, we can select it into MP3. You can do this function as well. Also, we can change the theme. You can select it in dark theme, light theme, or use system setting. You can do these three options over here. So yeah, this is how you can use sound recorder into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.